Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You open with a promise. Make the first 3 seconds irresistible. Explain what value or outcome viewers get and why they should keep watching. Once you have that hook, set up 2 quick shots, a close for emotion and a medium for context, so you can cut dynamically. Make sure to choose one clear idea and draft a concise caption with 1-2 keywords. Record at natural energy, then check audio levels briefly before moving to the next phase. You now focus on execution, film with intent and consistency. Frame vertically at 16:9 and keep clips short, 3 to 8 seconds, so editing stays punchy. Once done with primary takes, capture B-roll, reaction cutaways, and 1 safety take for audio. Make sure lighting is even, use a reflector or window and avoid backlight that silhouettes faces. Record a quick room tone and a clean voice take in case you need to dub. This makes editing fast. You finish by editing for clarity and speed. Cut to the promise, keep momentum with 3 to 5 cuts per 15 seconds, and add captions synced to spoken words. Then layer a trending sound at appropriate volume, include a short CTA, and pick 3-5 targeted hashtags. Once posted, monitor the first hour for retention drops. If performance is weak, troubleshoot by /B testing one element, hook, thumbnail, or sound, so you learn which change moves the needle without wasting time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.